Next level of the digital game, Trend Study 2021, a teaser. After huge digital progress in 2020, now comes a complete new level of the digital game. Play the next level in 2021. Space and Lemon Innovation Lab yearly digital trend studies sum up digital trends worldwide, identifying trends and the first manifestation of them. In 2021, the next level of the digital game. Next level in technology, AI application, workplaces, interfaces, online commerce, but also next level of the power from the tech giants. Never been so rich, so strong. Here's the list of the 5 with Tesla, Tencent, very big, and Alibaba. It is also the next level of technology. The next level of technology is no technology, no code, low code, and new processors for more AI application like this NVIDIA processor. It is also next level of workplaces, Microsoft Teams and Power Platform to automate any process on Microsoft Teams. These are also virtual room with fluid chat. This is gather town. If your avatar meet another avatar, you can do a fluid chat. It is also the next level of online commerce with this pink of Klarna, which is coming from pay to shopping, but it is also the 2 models from the US, Instacart and GoPuff. Yes, delivery apps are a major Amazon competitor. It is also product picks in augmented reality, 3D models here from Shopify. Yes, the next level in technology, AI application, workplaces, interface, and online commerce. These are the 5 chapters. Tech giants, tech and AI, consumers and commerce, next level of virtual interface and design, next level of the digital game, the Trend Study 21 from Space and Lemon.